Episode number 2. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Pedreira in Iracemápolis, you know? Whoa. Great location, beautiful landscape. Sadly, you know, the human being as usual making a mess. You know, mining company here coming in and do the things, you know, with the rocks, you know, for the process and selling away or whatever. You know, anybody could come here with car, and if you do rock climbing, guys, this is it. This is a place, guys. Seriously, I've seen some chains around there. It looks like a people coming and do the sport here. So we're gonna review all this place with the eyes of the drone, with a different perspective, you know. And
the home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
hard.
Echo.
I hope you like all the shots, you know, this short episode here. Enrique YouTube channel for all of you guys. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. You know, all the love, all the new subscribers from Brazil all over the world, and especially here in Brazil have been really good to me. Don't forget to subscribe. Não esqueça de subscrever ao meu canal, galera. I appreciate it.
I love you guys.